I have never represented to you this website before, but it's going to make you earn hundreds of dollars in the easiest way possible. And guys, I will try to explain to you everything that you will need to know to reach out to make as much money as you want. And this won't make you to stay in front of your computer for very long hours. In fact, it will only take you some couple of minutes to finish up this process and make you earn money. And the best part of it is that it's worldwide available, so you don't have to worry where you're living right now. And guys, I will try to explain to you step by step everything that you will need to know. But have in mind that this won't make you the richest person out there, but of course it will help you out to increase your incomes. If you want another method in which will make you earn a lot more money, then you have to check out my other videos. Now let's progress and let me explain to you this new website. But before I do that, I would like to ask you first to subscribe to my YouTube channel, but also turn on the notification bell, so in this way you will never lose any new update from me. Now let me represent to you the website that is going to make you earn money today, and that is called clearvoice.com. Let me explain a little bit because I know that this might be very new to you and you have never seen it before. Now, Clear Voice is basically a website for freelancers, but here you are just going to do one particular job, not like the other freelancers websites in which you have a bunch of different jobs to do. Here you just have to write an article. And guys, there are people, of course, business people mostly, that are willing to pay you a lot of money for writing down a typical article for them for different themes. Now, I know what you've been thinking, that you don't have any idea how to write an article, you might neither have any knowledge or any experience. Well, in fact, you don't have to worry about these things because I'm going to let you know how you can write an article without actually knowing how to write one. And no, we are not going to use an PLR program. We are just going to use a particular way that is going to be simple and you don't have to invest any money from your pocket. Now, as soon as you come over to Clear Voice, the first thing is covering your mouse at Talent Network, and here you are going to click on Join the Talent Network. Here you are going to create your account. And guys, you can check out at the categories, the theme and which you are going to concentrate to write down those articles. And they are going to be about advertising and marketing, finance, healthcare, software and tech, retail, and you can also check out even more. Now, after clicking Join the Talent Network, you will have to put your first name and last name. After doing that, click on that Get Started button. After that, guys, you will be required to sign in with Google or with Twitter, or you can do it manually with an email. I will totally suggest to you to doing with a Google account or with a Twitter account because it will only take you a couple of seconds to create your account. So as soon as you finish up creating your account, you can add it a little bit the info. You can also change the name, the profile picture. I will totally suggest to you connecting one of these social medias like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, or whatever else you might have because it will increase your chances to be hired as soon as possible. Now guys, as soon as you come over here, I will need to explain to you something. I want to tell you what makes this website the best one out there. And one of the reasons is the fact that you are going to set your own rate. So you are going to decide how much you want to get paid for an article. And you are going to get paid quickly. And your paid will be via PayPal, which I know that is your favorite out there because it's also worldwide available. Now guys, if you scroll down a little bit, you're going to check out all of these people who are working with Clear Voice and are earning money. You can also view their CV and get an information about them, what they are writing about, and you can see their articles. And imagine how many hundreds of dollars is this person in particular doing because he has published so many articles. And I'm going to let you know how you can publish as much as this person and earn as much as him and probably even more because I'm going to show you a way of finding articles ready for you so you will not get tired of creating any of them by yourself. Now, guys, when you come over to your profile, you should also improve your CV. If you click on that, you are going to see that they need to connect social accounts, as I told you, and then add your categories, add a tagline, add your bio, add a role, add 6 or more PCCs, add content categories, add content roles, add content description. After finishing up, your CV will be 100%, and then later on you can start earn money. So have in mind that you have to accomplish first your profile. So guys, we have come to that part of the video in which I will have to reveal to you where you are going to find the articles, and that will be with the help of Google. Now, you should have in mind what category you want to be focused on, and you can check them out at this part over here on Clear Voice. So you can write down about advertising and marketing, beauty, business, entertainment, finance, healthcare and science, software technology, travel and adventure. And guys, to get a more idea specific one on what you can do, on what kind of articles you want to write down, you just have to click one of these categories and check out all of these CVs over here and see what these people have written. So in this way, you will have an idea for yourself what to check out on Google. In my case, I have searched for finance tips for businesses, and Google have suggested to me a bunch of articles. And if you're scared that you are going to run out of articles on Google, you are wrong, because Google always updates new articles every day, which means that you are going to find a lot of articles to publish. Now, as soon as you find an article, what you will have to do is paraphrase it a little bit, because you want to sound original and like you have done the work by yourself. And you can do that with the help of quillbot.com. Now, after pasting and paraphrasing, you can also check out a little bit the mistakes by yourself, because in the end, Quillbot is just a robot and of course it can make some mistakes. Then go over to docs.google.com, paste the article that you paraphrased, cover your mouse at file, and then download, and then PDF document. After doing that, go over to clearvoice.com, and here you are going to click on add content, and you are going to publish what you have just created with Quillbot. Just cover your mouse and upload file and upload the PDF that you downloaded. Now guys, you can put some information like the category of this article, the primary role, content type, section, and a little bit of description, and then click on update. And this is what you are practically going to do, just following the same steps over and over again until you have at least published some 6 articles, because in this way you are going to earn money. After you have published 5 to 6 articles, you will start getting paid a lot of money, and you are going to check out how easy is this, and you are going to do it in just a couple of seconds. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If yes, then give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe and also to check out our other videos as well.